that had won last night. Yeah, I was just about to roll off my tongue right there.
I know I have ADD, you know that. You've announced with me before.
Yeah, this is last night's winner. Also having a good year as well.
They're defending point champions, right?
Exactly.
And they had a real good, strong pass down at the Midwest Winter Nationals at the Gordy-Wana. So I also want to thank Smith Custom Farming, United Cooperative, Beck's Hybrids, C Land Management, Cody Custom Wrapping and Mailing, Seymour Grain, SMG Insurance Services. As we got green lights on the strip, we got green lights, green flags on the track. That first tech official out there, everybody, every puller gets 2 attempts to go past him. When he goes by, watch him wave that flag in the air, and away we go. Tractor Chris trying to keep it up to the right. It wanted to come down a little bit. I think he was on that right brake.